In this video, I'll tell you what are the career prospects available in business analysis. Hi, I'm Sajna Vinil. I'm the business analysis mentor and coach for over a decade now. I help graduates and experienced professionals build successful careers in business analysis. So, if you're someone who's planning to start a career in business analysis, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Insta. I will be uploading several videos on business analysis which will help you make a career choice. So, what exactly are the career opportunities available in business analysis? Well, the first sector that's available to us is the information technology. So, you can work in any of the IT services firm like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Accenture. You can join them as a junior business analyst and move to a senior BS role and then an enterprise BA role and eventually start heading a business analysis competency center over there. What you'll be responsible for? You'll be responsible for designing solutions based on customers challenges and end-to-end requirements gathering and requirements management in the project. You can join product companies like Oracle, SAP, Microsoft. You can join as a functional consultant and move to a product owner, product manager, and eventually start heading a product division over there. What you'll be responsible for? You will be responsible for either implementing one of their products or helping them build a product from scratch. The next area that's available for you is the business intelligence area. So you can we BS play a very crucial role in business intelligence. We are responsible for analyzing all the historical data in the organization and converting them into dashboards which can be used by senior management for strategic decision making. So you can join these organizations as a data analyst or a BI analyst and eventually move to a BI expert kind of a position. Then we have the project management track. Several BAs, after certain years of industry experience, move into the project management track where they plan to grow as a project manager, project manager, delivery manager, account manager, and eventually start heading a business unit over there. Then we have the consulting division. So several IT services firm have a separate consulting division where BAs play a key role. We act as subject matter experts and provide advisory services to our customers where we build solutions based on their specific unique challenges. Then there is a role of a pre-sales BA. As a pre-sales BA, you will be working with the bid management team of the organization, where you will be responding to RFPs, understanding the business challenges detailed out in the RFP, and designing a functional solution that is the best fit for that challenge. Okay. Besides information technology, are there any other sectors that BAs play a key role? Yes, we play a very key role in business process management and business architecture. Business process management here in this area, you can join as a process analyst, then move to a process manager's role and become a process consultant. What we do here is we understand a client's end-to-end business process and devise strategies in which we can improve those business processes, whether we can automate it or remove some of the processes. So we offer process consultancy to improve their current state of processes. Business architecture, here we BAs play the role of a business architect. What we do here is we devise business strategies and help them remodel their business processes and align it to the capabilities that the organizations have. So this is a quite a senior level role which requires more than 11 plus years of experience. So net, these are the broad level of areas we business analysts play a key role in. That's all for now. If you like this video, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.